Next to BlockDown, he's a tech startup founder and an advisor in London with over 10 years entrepreneurship experience in multiple sectors such as mobile apps, finance, and services. He focuses his business on bringing cutting-edge technologies to the masses, and he has been a blockchain enthusiast since 2013. Let's welcome the CEO and co-founder of Chain, Tri Pham, to the stage. Tri, the floor is yours.
Hi, hello. Hi everyone. So this is Tri Pham speaking. So I'm a CEO and co-founder of Chain. And I'm really happy to be here today to talk about one of our most recent in product development, which is the KAI DEX. So today I will go over a short introduction about Chain, and then the overview of the KAI decentralized exchange. Then I will review a closer look of it, and then the future development. So Chain, at Chain, we believe that blockchain should be made accessible to everyone. So we are working toward making our product, our infrastructure available to not just like big corporation, but also like small businesses and startup, and also like normal user and non-crypto user as well. Chain, we doing it by invent our own Crosschain technology called the dual node. This is non-invasive, and we are able to reserve the on-chain cryptographic proof 100%. We bring it from one blockchain to another in order to make a hybrid solution that help businesses to adopt blockchain easier. So at Chain, we not just strategically choose to the direction of interop technology, but also we focus on a local market, which is our home country, Vietnam. Back in 2018, when we started Chain, we noticed that the trend of making scalability project. This is when people try to offer as much TBS as possible, from 1,000 TBS to million TBS, and some project I remember they claim they have unlimited TBS capacity. And then along the way, we discovered that this is not the TBS that is an issue for blockchain, but the T. That is the meaningful interaction, transaction that user make on the blockchain is matter to the scale, the adoption of the technology as a whole. So we achieved that by first making our blockchains really accessible and easier for businesses to adopt, for user to use. And then we choose a local market that is having a favorable legal framework, support from the government, and also have a really strong startup and SME environment who's eager to adopt blockchain. That's how we achieve the after 3 years of development, we achieved many strong partnerships with big enterprise like the top one in Vietnam, and also doing many projects to explore the opportunity with the government. So a bit about our ecosystem. a bit lacking. So this is a quick overview of our ecosystem. We have our mainnet launching last year. We have the KAI membership app, which is a loyalty app for our token holder that is very user-friendly for the non-crypto population. And recently, we launched we have our partner to build the first NFT marketplace in Vietnam, which is on board by most of the artists in Vietnam onto the platform. We also partner with Topbox to venture into the blockchain game. And also we have a lot of businesses, to traditional businesses, to tokenize their business model, their assets. For example, like Year One, which is the largest entertainment multi-channel network in Vietnam. Also, we have the Viet DeFi movement with having launching our KAI DEX. This is the last piece in the picture, in the puzzle, last puzzle of the Viet DeFi movement, where we have the stablecoin ready for from VNDC, the second largest holder base stablecoin. They have close to 1 million token holder for the VNDC. So VNDC is the stablecoin acting at the core of the DeFi movement. Then on top of that, we have many businesses to tokenize their assets and product and services. And the stablecoin will help to facilitate the trading, and also this lower the entry barrier for many users to enter the DeFi space. So just recently we launched the DEX. So we start the KAI DEX campaign to this is the very important piece. So on this platform, user will easily to trade not just on KAI chain, but also trade on different blockchain. So let's get to the chase, and we have a really brief, high-level overview of what is KAI DEX. So KAI DEX utilize the dual node structure of KAI chain. So one user can trade directly from the wallet on Ethereum, for example, to their wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. So this is non-custodial services. There's no wrap token, it's just direct swap. So there's several interesting feature of KAI DEX. One of the things, because I'm a trader myself, I'm trade a lot back in the day on centralized exchange, and also recently on the decentralized exchange. A pain point of decentralized exchange user, the DEX user, is that you only have market order. So so you have to like 24/7 staying on the screen to catch every moment of the market. So in KAI DEX, we introduced two powerful trading tools for that. First is the stock market order, which is already functionable. And the second is the limit order that is in development, and we'll be launching it in the near future. The beautiful of the limit order, I know that there's already some of the offering in the market, but our limit order, because we utilize dual node technology, so the order is on layer 2. It's not on layer 2, but layer 1 itself. So user posts just sign a transaction to create an open order, and doing it this way, the order can be matched in the next block if the price conditions are met. It's different from other kind of limit order when the price have to pass your condition for your order to be created, and If doing it in that way, you would be, first thing is your order maybe never fill, although the price has already passed your condition. And secondly, is it very lacking? It takes you like several block or even multi-block to confirm to hit your order. Also, we have lower slippage and near zero fee on KAI DEX chain. So in KAI DEX, that is not just the only feature, but we try to combine the best of both worlds from the centralized chain and also the decentralized chains, where we have a true ownership of your fund. You don't need to worry about the security vulnerability. Also, you got the trading fee if you provide liquidity on the platform, and everything is transparent on blockchain. Meanwhile, we still have many features that only available on the centralized exchange. So, so this is really simple statement for the KAI DEX. That is the that is full centralized chain experience, but cross-chain and decentralized. So I prepare a demo for you to have a look at. Just one moment. So we have here the design of the DEX. Yeah, so you have here the dashboard. So you have here the dashboard where you can see all the liquidity and trading volume on the exchange. You can also check the portfolio where you have like how much liquidity, how much pool you are participating. You can easily add the liquidity or create new pair as you want. So here is the main interface of the where you create order. As you can see, you can set like buy, sell order, or market order, limit order. So you can see on the open order here, which is provide you the transaction hash of the open order where you interact with the blockchain to create the open order waiting to be filled. And the interesting thing about the cross-chain swap is here as well. So it's where the ways work is not just if you familiar with the Binance cross-chain bridge. So the interface is quite similar, but the main difference is that here you approve your token to be spent by a smart contract. We are not provide you any address like to send your fund in, and then it will be manually sent to the other network. But here it's all automatically, it's all on chain and smart contract driven. Yep. So that is a quick overview of what we are doing on the KAI DEX exchange. And for the future development of KAI DEX, we are having a plan to have the own governance token for KAI DEX. It's where you can do many fascinating things. It's not available on any DEX. For example, the cross-chain farming, which is where you can stay on your favorite chain. For example, you like Ethereum, but you want to participating in some very lucrative interest on PancakeSwap, for example. It's where you can stake the KAI DEX token, the governance token, and your Ether. Then it will help you to participating in the farm on BSC, where you got return in the token on that particular farm. and it stay in your wallet on BSC. Because if you notice, you can easily you can use just one single private key to log into the different like EVM compatible blockchain, for example, Ethereum or BSC or Carrier chain. So we also design a like a master wallet. That's what we call the one wallet. So it's where you can log in just one, but you can have an overview of own token across the blockchain, and you can actually participating in farming across blockchain. You can provide liquidity for cross-chain trading as well. This is we are really exciting to introduce that new product in the future. And that's it. It's my presentation for the KAI DEX, and hopefully we contribute a bit to decentralize the world. Thank you.